Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn about to follow someone or a company in LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on My Network, and here you will see there are so many people. You can follow them and make your connections strong. You can follow by using this feature, which is My Network, and you can follow people or company from here as well. Like if I go with the person, like if I want to follow this person, I will simply click on the follow button, and this button will be changed into follow to following. So it means that I am following her. This is the unknown person, and if you already know a person and you want to follow that person, and you know about any company and you want to follow that company or person on LinkedIn, how will you do? Then you will use a search bar where you can write the name of that person or the company, and you can search by using search bar. So let's search someone by using search bar, and here I am going to write a name. Like this is the name of that person I want to follow. I will simply see the picture and I will click on that person, and here you can see there are a follow button, and here I can follow this person. And after following, then the benefit of this following feature is whenever this person will share something, that will be show you in your news feed. It can be any job vacancy, or it can be anything that would be very important in your future. And same as you can write any company name over here and you can follow that. Like if I go with a company name, and this is the company Dell Technologies, and I want to follow this company, then I will simply click on the follow button, and here I can follow this company. By clicking this following button, whenever company share the updates about its company's products or services, that will be shown in my news feed, and I can update with the company or a person, and that can be very helpful for you in future. So guys, this is how to follow someone in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.